Definitely needs some help. Check out, oh my gosh. How can you get anything else in there? That's ridiculous. Everything's crammed in there. And we want to show you what one is supposed to look like. How about that? I've never seen one like that, I have to admit. Everything's so organized, hanging on the wall, little vacuum and nice and neat. I wonder who put that together. Well, our guy, Rosie Romero, joins us this morning. Rosie, is that your closet?
No, it's not my closet.
Does yours look like that?
Clients that we really had to talk into letting us do this. But April has got the heat turned up. This is a great opportunity for you to tackle indoor projects. When you're trying to reorganize a closet, I encourage you to pull everything out, spread it on the floor, and make some piles. What are you going to give away? What are you going to save? What goes back in the closet? Before you put it back, make sure you clean the closet real well. A fresh paint job goes a long way. But I'll tell you another thing that goes a long way. It's very easy to do for a homeowner. Is they sell this pre-milled cedar siding. You can get it at aromaticcedar.com. Very easy to install. It's tongue and groove on the end, and you simply apply the mastic glue like this. Use your trowel, spread it, and just apply it tongue side up. And as fast as you can do that, you'll go around and just stack it up the wall. When you get to a corner, you have to cut a little 3 or 6 inch piece. Use that to start the next row. There's virtually no waste. Unless you decide to put it on a diagonal or a bias, don't do that. You waste way too much material. You can actually cedar line a closet like this for about $2.50 a square foot. So it is a great do-it-yourself project. Now that's your hall closet. Let me show you something in the kitchen pantry.
By the way, as you're walking, Rosie, it seems like there used to be a lot more cedar closets than there are today, doesn't it?
Well, you know, it used to be that you had to buy one by cedar and the material was so expensive, but now that they've got this pre-milled, it's just 1/4 inch material, and that's why I recommend homeowners glue it to the wall instead of nailing it, because it has a tendency to want to split. Now that kitchen pantry right there is the perfect kitchen pantry. We like wire racks in kitchen pantries for when the kids spill the Cheerios, everything falls down to a clean floor. You can spot there's been a mistake and clean it up, rather than the wood shelves where the Cheerios stay spilled on the top shelf for a year before you discover it. Another great indoor project, this can make a real dramatic effect on a room, is just the installation of crown molding. We've got a room here that's got a mint green against this deep red fireplace, stone fireplace with the artwork. Look what this does just to create a finishing touch. This crown molding is very easy to install.
Hey, Rosie, let me ask you a question. You're using a nail gun, and I've noticed in the stores that the nail guns now come with those little CO2 bottles so you can kind of carry them around your house. Do you like those?
I do, and for a professional, they're handy. For a homeowner, they can be kind of expensive. Most homeowners, handyman homeowners, have a little compressor. You can buy a little small, what we call pin nailer for finish work like this, or chair rail, or base, or casing. You can buy a little pin nailer like that for just under $200. Yeah.
Rosie, I'll tell you what, you do such fine work. That pantry's ridiculous. That's so perfect.
Well, what do they say? Clutter is the enemy of the mind?
Oh, yeah. No doubt about that. I find that, you know, just go into your hall closet and just throw everything away.
Well, you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure, so you can always find some place to recycle it.
That's what they say.
These are 3 great projects you can tackle here in the heat of summer while Miss April's got it so hot for us outside.
No doubt about it. And by the way, Tess says her pantry looks just like that. That's what she said.
Good.
Rosie, you're great. Thank you. It's always great seeing you.
Y'all have a great day.
All right,
Thank you.
Too. All right.
Great tips over there. It's not as nice, but I'm pretty organized. I try to be.
Do you do labels out, everything?
And stacked in areas like, you know, these are the soups, these are the vegetables, these are the fruits, and I have these steps so that you can see every can.
Well, good for you. That's excellent.
Got to be organized. Coming up in about 10 minutes, we're going to